Ritanjali ma'am.
Yes, sir. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti ma'am. Namaste. How are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine.
I don't think Julia's going to join us. She's not feeling well.
Okay ma'am.
Mhm.
And anything about Magda ma'am? Ritanjali ma'am?
No, sir. She haven't told me about anything.
So let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Gyanar Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham
Yogena Chitta
Chitta
Malam Sarirasya Cha Vaidyakena
Malam Chavedake
Yopakarottam Pravar Muninam
Karana Jamanina
Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi
Talaram Chakram Talaram Toni
Oh. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
So, what was our yesterday topic?
It was about the pranas, about two type pranas.
Pranas, and we also learned Nadi,
Yes, sir.
Pingala and Susumna Nadi. Right?
Yes, sir.
What is the color of Pingala Nadi?
Red color.
Red color. And Ida Nadi color is white. And yesterday we learnt about 5 pranas. The first part of 5 prana is prana. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And today we learn second point of 5 prana, that is apan. A-P-A-N-A. Note down. Apan. A-P-A-N-A. These are the Panch Vayu. You know about Panch Vayu, Kritanjali ma'am?
So 5 element.
Panch Vayu.
Uh,
5 element, not 5 element. Panch Vayu. These are Panch Vayu. Pran Vayu, Apan Vayu, Udan Vayu, Vyan Vayu, and Saman Vayu. These all Vayu is known as Prana. So here everywhere after Apana, Udana come Prana. They come with Prana. But actually these are Panch Vayu.
okay, sir.
So our second Vayu is Apan. A-P-A-N-A. There is 5 types of air inside the body. So those 5 airs are this one: Prana, Apan, Udan, Vyan, and Saman. So write down Apan Prana, A-P-A-N-A, Apan, P-R-A-N-A, Prana, influences the lower part of the body. Apan Prana influences the lower part of body from the navel to the soles. From the navel to the soles. It influences the lower part of the body from navel to sole. Which sole? Sole of foot. From navel to sole of foot. This pran regulates the elimination process. This pran regulates the elimination process. Diseases, D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S, diseases that affect the lower abdomen, intestines, kidneys, diseases that affect the lower abdomen, intestines, kidneys, K-I-D-N-E-Y-S, kidneys, urinary tract, U-R-I-N-A-R-Y, urinary tract, T-R-A-C-T, legs, L-E-G-S, legs, etc. legs, etc. are the result of disturbed apan prana. Disturbed apan prana. Means if apan prana is disturbed, then these organs will be get affected, which lower abdominal, intestines, kidneys, urinary tract, legs, and all lower organs. The technique of Nowli, write down. The technique of Nowli, Nauli, Agnisar Kriya, Ashwini Mudra, and Moolbandha, serve, SERVE, serve to strengthen and purify apan prana. The technique of Nowli, Agnisar Kriya, Ashwini Mudra, and Moolbandha serve to strengthen and purify apan prana. These are the techniques to purify the apan prana, means purify apan vayu. Which are the techniques? Nowli. You know Nowli? Kritanjali ma'am?
No, sir.
Don't know?
Mm-hmm.
Rotating of bowel of stomach, rotation of stomach.
Okay.
You ever seen on television Baba Ramdev rotating
Okay. Yes,
his
sir.
abdomen? Yeah, that is Nowli.
Okay.
And what is Agnisar Kriya?
Pata nahi, sir.
Same like Nowli, but not rotation. It is only flapping out and in, of stomach.
Mm-hmm.
Is Agnisar Kriya. Ashwini Mudra, squeezing and releasing of anus. Frequently squeezing and releasing of anus is known as Ashwini Mudra. Squeezing and releasing of anus portion is Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini means horse. Horse, known as Sanskrit, the name of Ashwini is horse.
Horse?
Horse, ghoda.
That's a horse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Horse every time used to squeeze and release their anus portion. So he is so powerful.
Mm-hmm.
And everything measure in horsepower. Because he always using this mudra, squeezing and releasing, contracting and releasing anus portion. And next one is Moolbandha. No, Moolbandha?
Yes, sir. The last bandha.
Yeah, not last bandha, first bandha, lower bandha.
अच्छा, मतलब lower bandha. हाँ.
Yeah.
यहाँ से start होता है ना Jalandhar, then
No,
Udyana.
that is last. It starts from lower. Moolbandha, Udyan bandha, and Jalandhar bandha.
Okay.
Moolbandha, that is in perineum region.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the techniques to purify apan vayu. The third one is Vyan. VYANA, VYANA, व्यान। व्यान प्राण, व्यान प्राण, VYANA PRANA, व्यान प्राण। flows through the nerve channels, flows through the nerve channels of the human body. It has an effect, it has an effect upon the whole body. It has an effect upon the whole body. Means head to foot. It has an effect upon the whole body and particularly on the nadis, and particularly on the nadis. Poor circulation, poor circulation, poor circulation, impaired nerve stimulation, impaired, 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 NERVE, nerve stimulation, STIMULATION. Poor circulation, impaired nerve stimulation, and nervous breakdowns, and nervous breakdowns. NERVOUS, nervous breakdown. Originate from a deficiency in Vyan Prana. Originate from a deficiency in Vyan Prana. Means these all are originates due to deficiency of Vyan Prana. Poor circulation, impaired nerve stimulation, and nervous breakdown. Vyan Prana is activated. Write down. Vyan Prana is activated and strengthened Vyan Prana is activated and strengthened in the practice of Kumbhaka. Vyan Prana is activated and strengthened in the practice of Kumbhaka. Kumbhaka means breath retention. Breath retention is Kumbhaka. It is highly recommended. It is highly recommended to perform following breath exercise several times in a day. Several times in a day to balance Vyan Prana. Which are the breath exercises? Inhale deeply and exhale once. Inhale deeply means inhale deeply and exhale once forcefully, like this. Inhale deeply and exhale at once. Second one, again inhale and hold the breath. Second time, inhale and hold the breath for as long as comfortable. For as long as comfortable. And third time, exhale. Exhale and hold the breath. Exhale and hold the breath. Again, for a while. Repeat this 4-5 times. Repeat this 4-5 times. Means first time, inhale deeply, exhale at once. Second time, inhale and hold as long as you can hold. Third time, exhale and hold. This is the breath technique. Inhale, exhale at once. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. And repeat this 4-5 times.
So does it have a specific pranayam technique name?
This pranayam name, no, this is normal beginners breathing, like abdominal breathing, chest breathing, clavicular breathing, like this. But with Kumbhaka.
Okay. Okay, we can say it as a Kumbhaka breathing.
Yeah. Actually, Hatha Yoga Pradipika says that Kumbhaka is the pranayam. Without Kumbhaka, there is no pranayam. Means without retention, no pranayam is there. Pranayam counted only with retention of breath.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is Udana. Udana. Udana prana is the ascending energy. Udana prana is the ascending energy. ASCENDING, ascending energy that flows from the heart to head. That flows from heart to head. Udana prana accompanies the awakening of Kundalini Shakti. Udana prana accompanies ACCOMPANIES, accompanies the awakening of Kundalini Shakti. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It accompanies to awaken the Kundalini Shakti. It is with the assistance of Udana prana that the astral body, astral body separates, SEPARATES, separates itself from the physical body. It is with the assistance of Udana prana that the astral body separates itself from the physical body. Means if we activate our Udan prana, we can separate our astral body, means inner body, from this physical body and take it away from other places.
So
Like
astral means kind of soul.
Astral means, yeah, kind of soul means जीवात्मा.
Okay.
जैसे आपने सुना होगा कि अपने लोग अपने आप को निकाल के बाहर घुमा के ब्रह्मांड में वापस लाते हैं. Same, that is astral body.
Okay.
That visit different places in Brahman, cosmic.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
A strong Udan prana, EASES, the phase of death. A strong Udan prana assays the phase of death, means it hold the age of death, means it prolongs the death. It increases the age. With the control of Udan prana, the body becomes very light. With the control of Udan prana, the body becomes very light, and one may gain the ability to levitate. With the control of Udan prana, the body becomes very light, and one may gain the ability to levitate. Levitate. What is the meaning of levitate? Float in the air. One who can lift himself or herself in air. Those who can control Udan prana, those who has ability to control Udan prana, he or she can levitate his or herself in air. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Udan prana is activated by Udan prana is activated by practice of Ujjayi pranayam. Practice of Ujjayi pranayam, Bhramari pranayam, as well as Viparit Karni mudra. You know Ujjayi pranayam very well.
Yes, sir.
Due to Ujjayi pranayam in Ashtanga Vinyasa, you can easily take your body in flow.
Yes, sir.
And Bhramari pranayam, that is deep breathing.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir.
As well as Viparit Karni mudra. What is Viparit Karni mudra?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. You know Sarvangasana?
Yes, sir.
It is like half Sarvangasana.
Mm-hmm.
Lifting your leg up and hip slightly up, not full up.
Mm-hmm.
Hip slightly up and leg 90-degree upward. That is
Mhm.
Viparit Karni Mudra.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Next, Saman. S-A-M-A-N-A. Saman. Next part of prana is Saman. Saman prana. S-A-M-A-N-A. Saman Vayu. Saman is a very important prana. Saman is a very important prana that connects two main chakras. That connects two main chakras. Anahat and Manipur chakra. That is Anahat and Manipur chakra. Means it found between Anahat and Manipur chakra. Between the navel region and heart region. It founds between navel and heart region. Saman prana distributes the energy of Saman prana distributes the energy of nutrition throughout the human body. Saman prana distributes the energy of nutrition throughout the human body. Saman prana has an influence. Saman prana has an influence on Manipur chakra. Saman prana has an influence on Manipur chakra, whose corresponding element is fire. Whose corresponding element is fire. You learn in the chakra chapter, the element of Manipur chakra is fire. When yogis are able, when yogis, Y-O-G-I-S, the element of Manipur chakra is fire. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write down. When yogis are able to control Saman prana, when yogis are able to control Saman prana, it is a pure flame. It is a pure flame within them. It is a pure flame within them. Those in whom WHOM Saman prana is completely pure. Those in whom Saman prana is completely pure are surrounded by a radiant aura. Those in whom Saman Prana is completely pure are surrounded by a radiant aura. AURA. Which is even noticeable, which is even, EVEN, noticeable, NOTICEABLE, even noticeable by those, which is even noticeable by those who do not have the ability to see the auras, who do not have the ability to see the auras, 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 means those persons who also can see that auras, and those yogis who controls Saman Vayu. Clear? The yogis
Yes,
who
sir.
controls those who have full control of Saman Vayu, though they having one aura, one radiant aura around their body, and those aura can be seen by those who can't able to see that type of aura.
Mhm.
Okay, this prana is strengthened, 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 strengthened through the practice of, this prana is strengthened through the practice of Agnisar Kriya and Nauli. Again, Agnisar Kriya and Nauli. Why? Because it is related to Manipur chakra,
Mhm.
abdominal region. This prana is strengthened through the practice of Agnisar Kriya and Nauli. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The practice of these two kriyas, the practice of these two kriyas prevent digestive problems and diabetes. The practice of these two kriyas prevents digestive problems and diabetes, DIABETES. Okay, this two kriya prevents digestive problems and diabetes. The most effective technique for awakening Saman Prana, the most effective technique for awakening Saman Prana is Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga is a technique. Kriya Yoga is a lifestyle. Actually, this is lifestyle. One type of technique, that is lifestyle. And that is most effective for activate Saman Prana. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Our next topic, second half, is the 5 Up Pranas. 5 Up Pranas. Write down 5 Up Pranas. The 5 upranas, 5 upranas regulate important functions, regulate important functions in the human body, in the human body. They regulate important functions in the human body. The first one is, what is the first one?
Naga.
Naga. Very good. Naga. Naga. What is Naga?
Mm.
Burping. Burping. In bracket, write down burping. Burping. You know burping? What is burping? Don't know. डकार लेना. जब हम खाने के
Okay.
बाद डकार लेते हैं ना, that is burping, and that is Naga. So we will see tomorrow all the 5 upranas.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So ये 5 उप्रानास को संस्कृत में क्या बोलते हैं और हिंदी में?
Upranas. This is the Sanskrit word.
अच्छा, itself.
Prana means vayu.
Mm-hmm.
Like we say we call the oxygen as prana vayu.
Mm.
So this is comes from there.
Okay.
Prana here, everywhere comes prana. Prana means vayu, means related to oxygen.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
And these are all are Sanskrit wording. Nag, Kurma, Devadatt, Dhananjay, Udan, Saman, Vyan. These are Sanskrit wording.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
These
sir.
are not English wording.
Okay, sir.
Like Naga
when-
is Sanskrit wording. Burping is English.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anything
Sir,
more?
I'm when this course is about to end.
26.
Okay, sir. So we will be having a specific kind of test or
Yeah.
virtual test. So what we have to do in this anatomy class that day?
Select one topic and
Mm-hmm.
brief explain that topic in class.
Okay.
Like you doing Ashtanga,
Mm-hmm.
practicing Ashtanga, and with command.
Okay.
I think your Ashtanga examination is started.
Yes, sir. Dates are given, na, already.
Okay. I will take only your exam and the Magda ma'am exam,
Mm-hmm.
and that is on 26 only.
Okay, sir.
Till 25 I will teach you because the course is so long.
Yes, sir.
I try to complete the course,
Okay.
and after this 5 of pranas, I will teach you the muscular system
Mm.
and digestive system and respiratory system. I will try to clear this all these topics
Okay, sir.
because we got late 5 to 6 days. I joined this class on the date of 7th of this month.
Yes, sir.
Earlier there is other teacher. After 6 I take this class.
Yes, sir.
So course is lengthy, but I try to complete this course.
Okay, sir.
Anything more?
No, sir.
Okay. So sit in any comfortable position. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om, followed by closing mantra. Closing mantra repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve
Sarve
sarve sakinah.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve satu tarunara.
Sarve bhadrani paschyantu.
Sarve sadra sabinava.
Ma kaschid dukh bhag bhavet.
Ma chatte chatte kakavakave.
Om. Santi.
Santi.
Santi. Santi. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply on your eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Kritanjali ma'am,
Okay.
Yes.
you
Yes.
have link of Himalayan Yoga Association site.
Yes.
Yes.
There is recorded videos
Okay.
of all classes: Ashtanga, Vinyasa, Anatomy, Pranayam, Meditation. You can refer that videos.
So the pre-recorded one, right?
Yeah, pre-recorded.
Yes, sir. I'm referring.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining the class. Namaste.
Namaste.
We will meet tomorrow again.